Welcome to Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada. Niagara Falls was formed starting more than 12,000 years ago at the end of the Ice Age, when large torrents of water were released from the melting ice, draining into the Niagara River. The water plunged over the edge of Niagara Escarpment to what is now known as Lewiston, New York. Falls were formed when melting glaciers formed massive freshwater lakes. The Great Lakes, one of which, Lake Erie, ran downhill toward another Lake Ontario. The rushing water carved out a river and their descent and at one point passed over the slip cleft-like formation. Pero nandito ako sa part ng Canada. Canada dito sa Niagara Falls, Canada. So sa harap niyan, yan yung New York, yan yung USA. Dito sa Niagara Falls, meron ditong istorya. Who was the 7-year-old who survived Niagara Falls? Yun yung pamagat doon. In 1960, 7-year-old Roger Wood went over Horseshoe Falls wearing only a life jacket and survived. Discovered the incredible true story behind one of the Niagara's greatest miracles. Here is apparently smiling after getting rescued. Why did they stop Niagara Falls in 1969? On June 13, 14, 1969, the America Falls, the portion of Niagara Falls on the US side, was intentionally shut off and largely dried up to allow a major engineering assessment and riverbed stabilization. Why did Niagara Falls dry up in 1969? How many bodies had been found at the base of Niagara Falls? In 2011, it was reported that 5,000 bodies had been recovered from the foot of the falls since 1850. The majority of deaths are suicides, and most take place from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. What is the legend of Niagara Falls? The myth of Francis Lilawala, made of the mist in the European version of the myth, Lilawala was offered to God Thunder in a ritual of human sacrifice performed by the Iroquois Indians. She was thrown into the waterfall of Niagara River to satisfy the god who otherwise would bring misfortune to the natives. Why is Niagara Falls a seventh wonder of the world? What makes Niagara Falls a natural wonder? Statistically speaking, Niagara Falls is recognized as having the greatest flow rate of any waterfall throughout the globe. The falls have more than 6 million cubic feet flow over the top of the falls every minute during the peak season. Why did they stop the water in Niagara Falls? In 1969, Niagara Falls was dewatered by the Army Corps of Engineers to study the accumulation of rocks. Why and how engineers drained Niagara Falls in 1969? Been mentioned to half of the flow of the American Falls so that repair work can be carried out on the 2-century-old bridges spanning Goat Island and the mainland. So ayan guys, andito tayo ngayon sa waterfalls at ang kanyang history. Dito sa Niagara, why is it called Niagara Falls? Name theories differ as to the origin of the name of the falls. The Native American word Ongiara means thundering water. The New York Times used this in 1925. Dito sa Niagara, mayroon rin dito mga animals live around Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls, Niagara County, 19 species of gulls, including Iceland sabine, great blackback, and Franklin gulls. Warblers, including yellow-rumped black-throated blue and chestnut-sided. Canvasbacks, green herons, red squirrels, fox squirrels. Oo nga naman. Ang dami-dami ko dito nakikitang mga squirrels. Diyan sa mga puno ng kahoy, diyan sa park around the Niagara Falls, dito sa side ng Canada. Marami akong nakikitang mga squirrels. Ano-ano ang nakita nila nung dinrain nila ang water sa Niagara Falls, yung in-stop nila ang Niagara Falls. What they found was the rock talus was likely holding up the waterfall. So if they took the talus away, more rocks would fall. Which country owns more of Niagara Falls? As the crest of the Horseshoe Falls has a total width of more than 2,200 feet, this means that most of the falls is located in Canadian territory. The majority of Niagara Falls comprises American Falls located on the American side of the border. The Horseshoe Falls is on the Canadian side. So ano naman ang Niagara mean in English? What does Niagara mean in English? Niagara is the anglicized form of the Iroquoian word Ongwaria, meaning the strait or neck of land. A more poetic definition of Niagara is thunder of waters, ideal for the baby whose rambunctious energy can only be matched by the majestic Niagara Falls. Ayan, malapit na ako sa dulo doon sa river. Ang ganda-ganda naman talaga doon sa dulo. Ang lapad ng river na yun. Yan, nakarating na ako dito sa dulo. Ayan, ang lawak-lawak. Grabe. So, what is the old building at the bottom of Niagara Falls? The Skolkoff Power Station was constructed in 3 sections between 1905 and 1924. At the time of its completion, it was the largest hydroelectric power station in the world. Ayan, hindi na namin pinuntahan at it's another trekking naman, hike to go down. Where does all the water come from at the Niagara Falls? So saan galing ang tubig sa Niagara Falls? The water flows from streams and rivers that empty into the Great Lakes from Lake Superior down through Niagara to Lake Ontario, then into the St. Lawrence River to the Atlantic Ocean. Yan. Bakit ang Niagara Falls are very famous? Why is Niagara Falls is famous? Niagara Falls is renowned for the sheer volume of water that cascades over its cliffs. The falls are divided into 2 main sections, the Horseshoe Falls adjoining the left or Canadian bank and the American Falls adjoining the right bank. Ayan, natapos na yung excitement ko dito pagpunta sa Niagara Falls kasi I'm so excited makarating dito sa Niagara Falls. Yun yung aming main dito na pinuntahan. Pero nag-road trip na rin kami. Dito sa Niagara Falls, meron daw dito nag-swimming. Ang pangalan ay si Karl-Heinz Koch. During the summer of 1964, Karl-Heinz Koch was arrested by police for swimming in the Niagara River approximately 200 yards downstream of the American Falls. At the time of his arrest, Koch said, "I was hot and I didn't see any sign saying no swimming, so I took a little dip." Haha. Yeah. So pag winter pala, nagpo-frozen ang tubig dito sa Niagara Falls. So how many times has Niagara Falls frozen? This photo is from the history page, and the last time the falls actually froze but not completely. The Great Niagara Falls has frozen a few times in the past: 1848, 1911, 1912, 1917, 2014, 2015, and again in 2022. Grabe, nag-frozen pala yung Niagara Falls na yan. So, meron din ditong ginawang mga movie. Which movie was shot at Niagara Falls? Niagara Falls in 1953, the film that started it all. Marilyn Monroe's sizzling performance turned Niagara Falls into the ultimate backdrop for passion and suspense, shot at the Cave of the Winds and the falls themselves. This noir classic cemented the region's reputation as the honeymoon capital of the world. Dito sa Niagara, mayroon daw ditong mga turista na mayroon tumataas ang mga buhok dahil sa hangin at saka electricity of the falls so powerful that even though the mist, every tourist has hairs that stick up except the pack of Buddhist monks who have shaved heads. Dito sa Niagara, mayroon na bang nag-sink na boats? Has a boat ever gone over Niagara Falls? In 1960, 17-year-old swept over the falls after his boat capsized upstream. It is now against Canadian law to go over the falls, but the Niagara Parks police chief, Doug Kane, would not say if the latest jumper would be charged. So which is better, Canada or the US side of Niagara Falls? All the waterfalls can be seen from both sides, and there are no entrance fees except for the paid attractions. The views are better on the Canadian side because you can see the front of the falls across the Niagara River. You get only lateral views on the American side, but you can get closer to the falls there. That's true. Kasi dito pinili namin dito sa Canada side kasi mas maganda ang view dito sa Canadian side. So, pwede naman mag-cross papuntang USA side. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa dulo ng waterfalls. Ayan, oh. Grabe, nakita ko yung boat sa baba. Yan. So, dito nang gagaling ang tubig. Galing sa river. Yan, tas paggabi, maraming color yan. Nilalagyan nila ng projector para iba-ibang color ang makikita dito sa Niagara Falls. Ayan, oh. Grabe. So, ayan guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo dito sa aking pag-visit sa Niagara Falls. So, pakita ko rin sa inyo yung Niagara Falls by night. Enjoy watching! Eleanor. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next travel vlog. I hope you enjoy my video here in Niagara Falls, Canadian side. Ciao, ciao!